How to update graphics card drivers on Windows 11? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You can update via Device Manager. For that, right-click on the Start icon. Select Device Manager. Click to open it. From the Device Manager window, you need to expand the display adapters. And here you will see your graphic card. Right-click your graphic card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will attempt to find and install the latest Windows or drivers. So Windows may indicate that the latest drivers are installed, but this is not always correct. For the best result, you can proceed to method 2. So you can download drivers from manufacturers as well. For that, you can easily launch any browser on your device. So for the most reliable and up-to-date driver, you can download them directly from the manufacturer websites. After that, you can easily search for your graphic drivers support assistant. For that, as you can see that mine is Intel integrated graphics, so you need to head over to the Intel driver and support assistant section. Simply click on the first link. And now you can easily use the automatic scan tool to detect and install the appropriate driver. So that's it. Updating your graphics card drivers ensures better performance, stability, and compatibility for your system. So if this guide helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.